Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy, and we're showing here is Aegend sheepskin leather glove for men, women. I take an extra large. This has the cashmere lining inside. It has leather on the outside. It's windproof. It's a warm pair of gloves, 100% premium cashmere, they say, and touchscreen. Anti-slip, 360-degree full hand touch. Now, what does 360 degrees mean? I could take my pinky, I could take my forefinger, and I could take my other finger. I could take my thumb, and depending on other fingers, I can use this one here and move things around. 360 degrees, that's what they mean. The glove. They have these snaps, they have a loose one, and they have a tight one. They're black, they're all leather, they're very casual, they're very dressy, and they're great for those cold days. So I hope you enjoy your pair of gloves. Take a measurement of your hand, check online if these are right for you to give to somebody. They have elastic, they're super soft, and they're skin friendly, and they're thermal. This is the inside of the glove, and I'll pull them out all the way so you can see that they're lined right all the way to the fingertip. Weather.
It's currently clear and 32 degrees.
They're fully lined. When winter's over and those cool days are gone, save your plastic bag and box, store it for another day. I hope you enjoy your glove for your season.